All right, so now we're making so much progress on the back end area. There's one thing though for our auth middleware. In the previous video I don't think I added the const. It was just user I wrote. So just make sure you add const in front of it. All right, let's go ahead. Now there's one functionality, one route I want to add, and I'll just demonstrate it to you first. So when I'm logged out, I'm currently logged out by the way. So when I'm logged out and I go to the home page, you see here that I get these two links, one to register and one to log in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log in, and then you see what happens when we log in and go back to the home page. So I'm going to log in. Now, although we are set to redirect to the dashboard after we log in, I'll go back to the home page. Voila, so you see I'm on the home page now, and you see we no longer see the login and register option. We now see the dashboard button. So that's because we have a way to monitor whether a user is logged in or not, and we're going to create a special route that will handle that. So let's go back to our back end, and we're going to come here to our user route and create that route. So I'll just duplicate this one, and I'm not going to protect it. I will just get rid of the protect, and the URL for the route is going to be logged in, like so. So you can name it whatever you want. You can name it logged in status, whatever you want, but I'll just leave mine as logged in. And then the controller function that I'll fire off, I'll call that function login status, like so. And remember, I've not created that function yet, so I'll go to my, let me close the middleware. I'll go to my user controller, and then I'll just add that. Let me close this guy up, and below here, let me first start by adding a comment and say get login status, like so. And then I'll just create my async handler function, which I'm going to name login status. Let's go ahead and export it here, and I'll just change this to login status as well. Because for testing, I'll just do response.send, and I'll just send login status. Yeah, that's it. Now save this one here, and also save the route, and then let's test it out in Insomnia. Okay. Oh, okay, I think I did something wrong. Let me just make sure. I would open this up. So it says oh, I did not import it inside of my route before saving it. Okay, so I'm sure you probably noticed that. So let me import it. Aha, so we're not going to get any error again. So let me come here and test it in Insomnia. I'll create a new I'll duplicate this one and just say get login status, and then I'll just click on create. Now it's going to be a get route, or the method is going to be get, by the way, sorry. Then I'll change this here to users / login logged in, LOGGED, logged in. Yeah, and then let's click on send, and hopefully we should get a response. Yeah, so 200, okay, and the text will just say login status. Yeah, so we're set. All right, so in the next video we're now going to create the function that will get the login status.